Visiting Ramsgate, Kent. Ramsgate was first a small farming and fishing community. The name Ramsgate first appears in 1274-5. Ramsgate was used from 1357 onwards. Saint Augustine, a Christian missionary, arrived in Ramsgate in 597. Thus, connection between England and the Christian Church in Rome was restored. With the Royal Squadron, King George IV sailed from Ramsgate to Hanover in 1820. The Kent port's hospitality so impressed him that he ordered it to be designated a Royal Harbour, the only such designation in all of mainland Britain. Beginning in 1749, Ramsgate Harbour was built, and it was finished about 1850. Ramsgate served as a major embarkation site for both the Dunkirk evacuation in 1940 and the Napoleonic Wars, due to its proximity to mainland Europe. Princess Victoria, who would become Queen, visited frequently in the 1820s. The guest list at Ramsgate is extensive and filled with illustrious individuals. Writers, Wilkie Collins and Jane Austen, as well as artists, George du Maurier, James Tissot, and Vincent Van Gogh visited Ramsgate. The home of famed architect, Augustus Pugin, who oversaw the Gothic Revival movement, and designed the interiors of the Houses of Parliament, is located on the West Cliff. Ramsgate drew thousands of families throughout the 1950s and 1960s. Coachloads of tourists would arrive to enjoy the Ramsgate Main Sands and the nearby sites during their summer holiday. Ramsgate is currently experiencing a seaside town resurgence. With its continental feel, it is drawing tourists from near and far and generating a lively music and art scene. The town is gaining recognition for its profusion of fine Regency, Georgian, and Victorian buildings, centered around a variety of their own squares. You can easily reach Ramsgate from London.